Hey everyone! First of all, I want to thank Schepach for sponsoring my project of making wooden toys for charity. Thank you for sending me the oscillating belt and spindle sander. It's a great machine. Thank you! In today's video I would like to show you how you can make this shape stacker. It was fun and quick to make. Let's get started! I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll keep up to date when I upload a new video. Bye! I'll see you next time in 2 weeks.